In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy story link on Facebook. So what you want to do is you want to open up your Facebook app and then search on whatever story you want to copy the link. Then you just click on it and on the top right, click on the three dots, not the ad, sorry, click on three dots and then say copy link to share the story. Sharing stories are visible to higher prospective audiences for 24 hours. Now that I have that, I need to click on this to show you, paste, done. And now if I click on it, it's going to show me the story. But of course I need to log in. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.